Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we're going to see installing of SEtoolkit, that is Social Engineering Toolkit. Before going to installation, I'm going to explain you what is Social Engineering Toolkit. Social Engineering Toolkit is an open source penetration testing framework designed for social engineering. SET has a number of customized attack vectors like mass mail attack, website attacking vectors, creating a payload and listeners, and many more. So now coming to the installation part, first you need to copy the link that is given below in the description. I have already copied and now I'm going to paste it in my terminal. Then typing ls, and next here you can see the SEtoolkit.sh file, that is an shell file, and next typing sh SEtoolkit.sh. It gets downloaded. I'm going to wait for a while. So once again I'm going to press ls. So now here you can see the SEtoolkit folder where all the tools are present in it. And next I'm going to type cd SEtoolkit. Then pressing ls, and now we are in the SEtoolkit folder. To run the Social Engineering Toolkit, we should install some of the requirements. So next I'm going to type pip install r requirements.txt. Now all the requirements get installed. It takes some time for installation, and don't worry about this error. Okay, the SEtoolkit has been installed on my terminal. Next I'm going to type ls so that I can see the files once again. Next typing SEtoolkit. Now here you can see the SEtoolkit, and also you can see the options and also the social engineering attack, penetration testing, third-party models, and so on. So this is how you can install the SEtoolkit on the Android terminal. So that's all in this video. Thank you.